Hello friends, my name is Unchita and you're watching my channel Tech Right Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about access point configuration. So let's begin our session. In my previous video, I have discussed about access point, that what are access points and what is the use of these access points. I have also discussed about this topology. So in this video, I will discuss that how to configure these all devices so that we are able to communicate with the help of wired communication and also wirelessly. So let's begin our session. So which devices we will use? We will use a router, a switch, access point, PCs and laptops. So first I will take a router, then I will take a switch. After this I will take access point, which I will get in wireless devices. Now what I will take some PCs, then after I will take laptop and mobile phone. You can see here it is automatically connected because access point is a wireless device. Now what we will do, we will establish communication between them with the help of using some kind of cables. If we don't know that which cable we will use to connect a particular device, so we will simply choose from there. It will automatically choose a cable for you. Now there is one thing, we can connect our access point with router as well as switch. It will work with both of the devices. So here I will connect my access point with switch. So let's start our configuration. So first I will configure my router. I will go to my router, go hit CLI mode, press no. You can see here that I am in user mode, so for going in privilege mode, I need to type a command that is enable, and for going in global configuration mode, I need to type a command that is config t. So the first thing is that I need to configure IP address on the router's port. So I will use a command interface fast ethernet 0/0 and hit enter. Then after IP address, suppose I want to give IP address that is 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 and hit enter. I will write here no shut. What I will do? Suppose you don't want to give a static IP address on every PC. So what you will do? You need to configure a DHCP on the router, and for configuring DHCP you need to write a command. So first exit from this mode and write a command that is IP DHCP pool. Now you need to give a name of pool, so I am giving here my name, that is Vanchita, and hit enter. Now you need to tell about its network. So its network is 10.0.0.0 and its subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Why its network is this? Because I have used the IP address that is 10.0.0.1, that is class A IP. I will hit enter. Now what I need to tell about its default router. So its default router is 10.0.0.1. This is the IP of my router. Then I hit enter. Here I need to use hyphen between default and router. That's why it is showing invalid input. So I will simply use hyphen between them and hit enter. I can also configure here DNS server. So what is the function of DNS server? The DNS server is used for name to IP and IP to name resolution. And what is the use of DHCP server? The use of DHCP server is, if you want to give IPs automatically, then we use DHCP server. Now I will exit from here. My router is configured successfully. I will close this. Then I will go to my PC, desktop, IP configuration, and here I need to enable DHCP. Why? Because I have configured DHCP on my router. Now my PCs will take IP automatically. There is no need to configure IP addresses statically. So you can see here my PC has taken IP address automatically. Similarly, I will do on every PC. Now what I will do, I will configure my access point. So I will go to my access point, configuration, then port 0. You can see here it is on half duplex, so I will do it auto. Then I will go to the port 1. Here the name is default, but I want to give the name according to myself, so I will give here my name, that is Vanshita, and I will enable WPA2 PSK security so that nobody will able to do unauthorized access. I have set one password here. Then after I will close it. Now you can see here, previously my smartphone was connected automatically, but now it is disconnected. Why? Because I have configured password here. Similarly, I will do configuration on my laptop. I need to change some ports. I will zoom in. I will close my laptop. Here I need to connect some kind of wireless device so that my laptop will be able to connect wirelessly. So what I will do, I will simply remove this and attach this one, that is WPC300N. I will on my laptop, then go to configuration, go to wireless. Here I need to change the name same as I have written on my access point. So I will write here Vanshita. I will enable WPA2 PSK security and give the same password for the purpose of verification. Close it. Now you can see here my laptop is connected wirelessly. Previously it was not connected. Similarly, I will configure my smartphone. I will go to configuration, go to wireless, change the name similar to my access point, enable WPA2 PSK security for the purpose of verification. Now you can see here my devices are connected wirelessly successfully. For seeing there is a communication between wired and wireless devices, what we will do, we will simply go there, take one packet and check. You can see here it is successful. It means our wireless devices are able to communicate with the wired devices.